The problem we are facing, or our country is facing, is currently we are facing huge impact of chronic diseases. People unable to self-manage their condition properly at home after they are being discharged from hospital. Consequently, there are many acute worsening, developing complication, or even more organ complication. We have diverse range of product. We have specialized wound care, long-term home care nursing. We also produce diabetes footwears, wound mannequins, and we also conduct webinars and training for healthcare professionals. Good afternoon, honorable guests and investors. My name is Ahmad Hashim Wibisono. I'm the founder and CEO of Pedicare Malang, a specialized business for nursing care for people with chronic conditions to be treated at their own very home. And in this occasion, we are seeking for 800 million Indonesian rupiah for investment, and we are offering 10 million of equity. So this is our business. The problem we are facing, or our country is facing, is currently we are facing huge impact of chronic diseases. People unable to self-manage their condition properly at home after they are being discharged from hospital. Consequently, there are many acute worsening, developing complication, or even more organ complications. When they are being hospitalized, it will be a burden for our country universal coverage as well, or the BPJS. We also observe the outdated method of wound care for people with chronic wounds such as diabetic wounds. So here we are. We start small at 2015 with only 3 persons. Now we are growing to 40, not less than 46 persons as our employee. We have diverse range of product. As you can see, we have specialized wound care, long-term home care nursing. We also produce diabetes footwears, wound mannequins, and we also conduct webinars and training for healthcare professionals. And I would like to draw your attention to our revenue. 2019, 1.1 billion. 2020, pandemic begin, we still able to generate 1.8 billion. And the second wave of pandemic, we still able to generate 2.2 billion rupiah, and we keep recruiting people. Therefore, we have proven that we are not only survive, we also sustain, profitable, and investable. One of the key secret is we are very strong at the digital platform optimization. We are very active at the social media, website, e-commerce. We are also using SEO and as well as digital marketing STPs. So we are confident to expand our business to nearby cities, which are Surabaya and Sidoarjo. We require 380 million and also 350 million. And based on our experience, we are confident to gain cash break-even within less than 2 years, or we estimate 16 to 18 months, with 10% of equity share to the investor. So far, we have partnered with several education universities, nursing schools, and we also partner with a charity foundation, because we also provide charity for needy people who also suffer diabetic wound, which are growing significantly in numbers due to pandemic. They losing their business or being PHK, yeah, forced to stop. Okay, I'm Ahmad Hashim Wibisono. Thank you very much.
Terima kasih. Any questions immediately from the panel here or from overseas? Yes, Manoj.
I had one quick question.
Go ahead, Ravi. Go ahead first.
Yeah, I just wanted to know, especially in this space, what type of certifications do you have?
Okay, so we have Ministry of Health wound care specialization or accreditation for our staff.
Okay, but do you also have any FDA or CE certification, like international certification?
Okay, we plan to proceed it next year, sir, because we only has just turned into PT or limited company around next week.
Okay. Have you done any clinical trials?
Oh, we have worked actually for 5 years right now, so we are very well experienced.
Okay, so you basically have all the data, but you're going to go for CE certification or FDA probably next year?
Yes, probably next year.
Okay. Thank you.
Manoj?
Can you just tell me what services you provide? Because you're saying there's home care and then you're selling some products, pedicare. What's the home service? Like you send nurses to the house and you charge them, and then you sell the wound care as well?
Yeah, so the initial core business was the chronic wound care. We're growing very good, and then the family starts requesting us to take care of their parents at home. So we provide 24 hours of nursing service at home, 24/7. And also we produce diabetes specialized footwear. I have researched it and it has been proven effective in preventing diabetic foot ulceration as well. Is that answers?
So it's chronic, basically chronic solutions, not one-off.
Yeah, but what is the revenue breakdown among which is the biggest revenue generator?
Sorry, I can't hear clearly.
Pendapatan yang paling besar dari mana?
Okay, so the biggest revenue, 60% is from the 24-hour home care nursing.
Okay. Any interest to speak to this, Edward?
Yes, just a quick one. So just to give the, the numbers for 1 month, 24/7 service, how much do you charge?
Okay, sir. So we have daily package, weekly, and monthly. So you asking about
Monthly.
Monthly. So it's around 8 to 10 million rupiah per month.
Okay.
Thanks for asking, Edward. I'll need it soon. Okay. Anybody would like to speak to this entrepreneur further? So one thing you should think about, you are into a very noble business without a doubt. Your funding needs may be better met through a specialized category of investors who don't necessarily look for tremendous scale, ability to scale, right? You can scale, but your costs will also scale with that. So we'll guide you on that.
I can also help with that knowledge.
Sure. I have 2 hands up. I will connect you to them later. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Ya, terima kasih.
Halo, saya Ahmad Hasim Wibisono dari Pedicare Malang. Hari ini kami dapat experience yang luar biasa, bisa berinteraksi dengan para investor di dalam dan di luar negeri. Dan surprisingly di dalam tadi justru para investor dari luar negeri ya yang join via Zoom justru yang terlihat sangat menarik dan ingin kontak dengan kami lebih jauh ke depannya. Nah, challenge yang kami hadapi selama mengembangkan bisnis memang adalah pada pengembangan sumber daya manusia yang membutuhkan banyak supply untuk memenuhi kebutuhan dari para klien kami terutama yaitu yang butuh pelayanan keperawatan. Kami sangat terbantu dengan IFF ini karena memudahkan kami untuk bisa scale up dengan bantuan dari para investor sekaligus memacu kami untuk terus tumbuh. Kedepannya kami harapkan IFF bisa lebih banyak menjangkau lagi startup di berbagai daerah dengan potensi yang lebih besar bagi masyarakat. Semangat dan dedikasi kami untuk Anda.